Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the online class. I hope so you all are doing good. Today we are going to study about noun clause. Noun clause is grammar lesson number 5 of Understand and Communicate book 3 given on page number 130. Now what is a noun clause? A noun clause is a subordinate clause and it acts as a noun in the sentence. It starts with what, where, how, that, whether, whoever, whatever, which, whichever, why, means all WH words. So noun clause is a subordinate clause. It acts as a noun in a sentence and starts with WH words. For example, I like what I see. Now as you know, a clause is a sentence with a subject and a finite verb. Subordinate clause is also a sentence with a subject and finite verb. I like what I see. I is the subject, like is a finite verb, another subject and another finite verb. Now it's starting with WH word. So this is a noun clause. I know that patience has its limits. Again, we have got two clauses and subordinate clause is a noun clause. I know where the treasure is. Whatever you wish is my command. I know how the accident happened. Noun clause can easily be distinguished from other kinds of subordinate clauses as it provides an answer to the question, what? It provides an answer to the question, what? Now, if we again look at the examples, I like what? What I see. I know what? That patience has its limits. Again, I know what? Where the treasure is. Now, what is my command? Whatever you wish. I know what? How the accident happened. So, a noun clause is a subordinate clause and it acts as a noun in a sentence and it starts with a WH word and it gives answer to the question, what? Now open page number 131 of Understand and Communicate book 3. Exercise number 1. Pick out the noun clause in each sentence. You only have to pick out the noun clause from the sentences given. You don't have to state its function as it is not included in your syllabus. We did not know that Jill wanted to be left alone. Now, we did not know is main clause, that Jill wanted to be left alone. So this is noun clause. Why the house was set on fire remains a mystery. Why the house was set on fire. This is the noun clause. Remains a mystery is a main clause. The news that the bus strike was over brought relief to everyone. The news that the bus strike was over, this is a noun clause, and brought relief to the news brought relief to everyone is the main clause. Everyone was amused at how he was tricked. Everyone was amused at what? How he was tricked. How he was tricked is the noun clause in the sentence. It has not been decided when the meeting will be held. What has not been decided? When the meeting will be held. So when the meeting will be held is a noun clause. The question is how we can keep the information secret. Now, what is the question? How we can keep the information secret. This is a noun clause. Who will chair the meeting has not been announced. What has not been announced? Who will chair the meeting? I refuse to believe what he has said. I refuse to believe what? What he has said. This is a noun clause. His instructions are that we should wait for him here. What are his instructions? That we should wait for him here. So that we should wait for him here is a noun clause. The rumor that he is retiring is completely unfounded. What is completely unfounded? That he is retiring is the noun clause. I am pleased with what you said. I am pleased with what you said. What you said is the noun clause. It is certain that there were no survivors. What is certain? That there were no survivors. We were told that our application had been approved. That our application had been approved is a noun clause. Whether the new measures are workable remains to be seen. Now, whether the new measures are workable is a noun clause. Our main concern is how to maintain discipline. How to maintain discipline is the noun clause. It is doubtful whether these students will pass the examination. Whether these students will pass the examination is the noun clause. We could see that his health had deteriorated. That his health had deteriorated is a noun clause. Whoever is dissatisfied can lodge a complaint. Whoever is dissatisfied is a noun clause. We were surprised at what he had done. What he had done is the noun clause. The announcement that trade restrictions between the two countries would be lifted was welcomed by the business community. That trade restrictions between the two countries would be lifted is a noun clause. Exercise number 2, you have to solve this exercise by yourself. Complete each sentence with a suitable noun clause beginning with the word in bold print. The words are given, you have to start or write a noun clause by yourself. And exercise number 3, we will do this tomorrow on notebooks. So exercise number 2, you have to solve this exercise on your book in homework.